Okay, we ready?
Hello, and welcome back to Campus Nightly.
Got plenty of stuff going on throughout the night.
You learn from your mistakes. You know what you're doing wrong.
They taught me how to build.
I'm just a passionate student who is eager to learn.
Unos meses después de mi atentado, cuando yo logro salir del hospital.
You have to stop lying to yourself about this. You have it in you.
Head coach Shannon Thompson tried something that she hasn't done all season.
Now what's the catch?
No catch, Mr. Man.
I can be fun. I've always been fun.
To our viewers at Seton Hall and beyond, good night and hazard set forward.